Hello and welcome to Remote Control Express, the specialist for remotes. Video programming instruction for your remote HSE2 BS868 Black. To program this remote, you need an existing, already programmed model that is fully functional. You have to program the remote button by button. Place the two remotes side by side with a maximum distance of 2 cm. Press and hold the first button on the already programmed remote. The LED on the remote will flash blue and red. While still holding down the button, press the same button on the new remote control. The LED on your new remote control blinks slowly. Wait 5 seconds. The first button on your remote control is now programmed. To program the second button, repeat the same process with another button. Your new remote control is now programmed. To program this remote by an old model with blue buttons, press the button on the old model, then press the button of the new remote. The LED on the new remote control blinks slowly, then faster. The LED goes out. Your remote is programmed.